Broken diagonal check pattern. Here we see a zigzag diagonal strip of purl stitches on a plain knit fabric. This is a simple, fun and versatile knitting pattern. It can be used for knitting accessories, garments and home decor items. The wrong side of this pattern also looks very interesting. Cast on stitches multiple of 8 stitches. Repeat rows from 1 to 8. Row 1. Right side row. Knit 6 stitches. Purl 2 stitches. Repeat 8 stitches of the pattern. Row 2. Wrong side row. Purl 1 stitch. Knit 2 stitches. Purl 5 stitches. Repeat 8 stitches of the pattern. Row 3. Knit 4 stitches. Purl 2 stitches. Knit 2 stitches. Repeat 8 stitches of the pattern. Row 4. Purl 3 stitches. Knit 2 stitches. Purl 3 stitches. Repeat 8 stitches of the pattern. Row 5. Knit 2 stitches. Purl 2 stitches. Knit 4 stitches. Repeat 8 stitches of the pattern. Row 6. Purl 5 stitches. Knit 2 stitches. Purl 1 stitch. Repeat 8 stitches of the pattern. Row 7. Purl all stitches. Row 8. Purl 1 stitch. Knit 2 stitches. Purl 5 stitches. Repeat 8 stitches of the pattern. Repeat rows from 1 to 8 for the pattern flat. Enjoy your knitting and subscribe to our channel to get more patterns to your collection.